Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, A Complete Class. Today we will talk about some of the full forms. हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल A Complete Class में। आज हम कुछ फुल फॉर्म्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। JAIIB जूनियर एसोसिएट ऑफ द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ बैंकर्स JPG, जॉइंट फोटोग्राफिक एक्सपर्ट्स ग्रुप JBL, जेम्स बुलफ लैंसिंग JCB, जोसेफ ट्रिल बैम्फर्ड JK टायर्स, जिगल कमलापत जी टायर्स, KEI कृष्णा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड KFC, केंटकी फ्राइड चिकन, LOL लाफिंग आउट लाउड LG, लिट्वेंट गवर्नर, LIC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया, L&T Larsen and Toubro, LLB Bachelors of Laws, LLM Master of Laws, LCD Liquid Crystal Display, LED Light Emitting Diode, MBA Master of Business Administration, MCA Master of Computer Application, MSc Master of Science, MSc Mobile Switching Center, MD Doctor of Medicine, MCB Miniature Circuit Breaker, MMS Multimedia Messaging Service, MC Menstrual Cycle, MMR Measles, Mumps and Rubella, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, MRI Magnetic Resonance Imaging, MPEG Moving Pictures Experts Group, MTNL Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, NEFT National Electronics Funds Transfer, NDA National Defence Academy, NIIT National Institute of Information Technology, NET National Eligibility Test, NABARD National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NAAC National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NCC National Cadet Corps, NCRT National Council of Educational Research and Training, NDTV New Delhi Television, NTPC National Thermal Power Corporation, NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NATO North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NSGL National Securities Depository Limited, OPD Outpatient Department, OSA Obstructive Sleep Apnea, OEM Original Equipment Manufacturer, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, PAN Permanent Account Number, PO Probatory Officer and Post Office, PCS Provincial Civil Service, PDA Personal Digital Assistant, PSU Public Sector Undertaking, PFA Please Find Attachment, PDF Portable Document Format, PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, PID Pelvic Inflammatory Disease, PKD Polycystic Kidney Disease, PVR Priya Village Roadshow, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, PGDCA Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application, PGDM Postgraduate Diploma in Management, PUC Pollution Under Control, RTGS Real Time Gross Settlement, RBL Ratnakar Bank Limited, ROFL Rolling on Floor Laughing, RIP Routing Information Protocol, RIP Rest in Peace, RNA, ribonucleic acid, RHD, rheumatic heart disease, RAW, research and analysis wing, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, SLR, Statutory Liquidity Ratio, SLR, Single Lens Reflex, SSC, Staff Selection Commission, SSC, Secondary School Certificate, SSLC, Secondary School Leaving Certificate, SSB, Service Selection Board, SEO, Search Engine Optimization, SIM, Subscriber Identity Module, SMS, Short Message Service, SQL, Structured Query Language, STD, Sexually Transmitted Diseases, STD, Subscriber Tongue Dialing, SME, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, SOS, Save Our Souls, SRC, SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Corporation, SAP, System Applications and Products, SIT, Special Investigation Team, SWAT, SWAT, Special Weapons and Tactics, TDS, Tag Deducted at Source, TOEFL, Test of English as for a Foreign Language, TFT, Thin Film Transmitter, TDR, Time Dominant Reflectometer, TDR, Ticket Deposit Receipt, TDR, Term Deposit Receipt, TBH, To Be Honest, TTYL, Talk to You Later, TLC, Total Lung Capacity, TT, Textiles, Toxic, TAFE, Tractors and Farm Equipments, TOI, Times of India, UCO, United Commercial Bank, UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, USB, Universal Serial Bus, UPA, United Progressive Alliance, USSR, Union of Soviet Specialist Services, UGC, University Grants Commission, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, VGA, Video Graphics Array, Virus Vital Information Resources Under Siege, WEF, World Economic Forum, WWE, Worldwide Fund for Nature, WBC, White Blood Cell, Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity, WWW, World Wide Web, XML, Extensible Markup Language, XMPP, Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol। तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो यहीं समाप्त होती है। आशा करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आई है दूसरों के साथ शेयर करें और लाइक करें। धन्यवाद।